Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Choose the hottest contestant. The Man of the World 2024 competition reached a sizzling peak during the press presentation held at the Winford Resort in Manila, Philippines. Amid the tropical ambience and the vibrant energy of the venue, the contestants showcased their best physiques and charm in a highly anticipated swimwear segment, and each candidate representing the epitome and masculinity and fitness strutted with confidence, donning swimwear that highlighted their sculptured body and individual style. The atmosphere was electric as the audience and press were treated to a visual feast and chiseled abs, broad shoulders, and confident smile. The swimwear segment not only highlighted the contestant physical attributes, but also their ability to carry themselves with poise and charisma. The diversity of swimwear style, from classic trunks to modern brief, added a unique flair to the presentation, allowing each contestant to express their personality and national pride. Among the standout moments were the confident strides and powerful presence of the contestant, and each bring their unique flair to the stage. The judges and audience were captivated, making the task of choosing the hottest contestant an exciting yet challenging endeavor. As the sun set over the Winford Resort, the Man of the World 2024 candidate left a lasting impression, and each one vying for the title with undeniable allure and athleticism. The press presentation was a testament to the hard work and dedication of this extraordinary man, setting the stage for an unforgettable competition. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!